Hi guys, my name is Dean Ginto from denonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called ClickCash. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how the ClickCash works. Now as a reminder, I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses here. Then I'm going to be showing you how you can get this product from here so you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. And all you can do is keep an eye onto my bonus banner and we're going to go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the ClickCash. Now to put this briefly, ClickCash pays you for linking up your videos without recording or editing any of them. You can easily earn $24.99 per click with your ClickCash magic link. Now it makes you profits easy as pie without any video advertising. Now continuously you can earn $25 per click and you can earn passive affiliate commissions from videos made by others. You don't have to create your own content and there are no more waitings for your affiliate commissions. You can basically earn cash easily with this method. Now I want to talk about the benefits of the ClickCash. Now this is great for beginners and newbies because you'll be able to earn commissions without having to create your own videos. If one of you, or to those of you who are not interested in making videos and then you have to edit them after and then you have to post it on YouTube and you have to do all this SEO and trying to optimize the video, then this method works for you. And this is an easy way to make money from affiliate offers because all you have to do is pretty much pick up ClickCash and start applying the methods. And this is one of the quickest ways to earn money without having to work hard on your part because basically everything in here is going to be offered to you to just start going through each of these selections here, and just pretty much that's how this ClickCash is going to work. So now I'm going to be showing you what's inside of the ClickCash. So here is your main dashboard of the ClickCash. So right over here, if you go into the ClickCash site, so it's going to bring you down to manage sites, is where you can pretty much manage your sites over here. And you can create your new sites in the section here. So all you can do is add a site title over here. Choose the file of your logo over here. So if you have a logo in mind or logo save onto your desktop, you can go ahead and upload it over here. Then you can go ahead and create your site in this section here. Now over here under niches, so basically you can pretty much select the niche that you wanna add onto your ClickCash account. So what you can do is, for example, if you wanna go look up weight loss, dog training tips and tricks, have something to do with affiliate marketing, you can do cars, yoga, so much more. There's a ton of stuff that you can go and select the niche that you wanna select for your campaign over here. So let's take a look here and just select that. Then you can go ahead and add the niche that you want to add over here. Add a slug, or if you leave it blank, it will be generated to you automatically. Here's where you can create colors of your choice for your site here, and you can add a niche block style that you want to add onto your site. Then you can add the niche over here. Here are the campaigns. Now this is where you can go ahead and create your campaign here. So what you need to do is pretty much add a title. Again, the slug over here, add to feature, just click on it, or add to breaking, or add to recommend, click over here as well. Now this is where you can get the video from the URL. So you need to look or search for videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or Facebook, and you have to add the URL over here, or you can add the video embed code over here. And if you have your own video, so now you don't have to make your own video like I said, but if you have your own video, you can go ahead and upload your video over here in this section. So just to make things easier for you, you can go ahead and add the video URL over here, get the video, then the video thumbnail is going to show up here. And here you can select the niche that we talked about earlier, that you'd like to add the niche here, then add the niche over here second time, and you can hit submit to publish your campaign. Here is your traffic source. So method number one is going to give you this option here to share your magic link over here. Here is method number two. So this is where you can get your traffic source here. So you need to create your account, sign in, and go ahead and add your traffic source over here. Now here is the ClickCash ads. So this is where you can go ahead and create the header, select the site over here, the niche that you'd like to promote, whatever niche that you want to promote here. So it was make ClickCash online. You can add the code here, create ad code in the section here, and then select image. So pretty much you're adding all these banners for your ads so that you can start creating campaigns to promote your ClickCash video ads and start getting money from it. And then hit save changes. Here is where you can monetize campaigns. So as you can see here, this is where you can pretty much add the text, add images, video ads, call to action, button. Here is the Google AdSense banner right over here to monetize your campaign. And over here is where you can add it to Google video ads. So it's a pretty much like good traffic source for you that you can add or send advertisements onto your campaigns in this section here. Here are the available upgrades that I'm going to be talking about later in this video. Here are tutorials. Now, if you're not sure or if you don't know how this works, then here is the tutorial for you to get access over here. So pretty much this is the as you can see here, the demo of how this ClickCash works. All you can do is watch this video trainings over here. So as you can see, these are all provided for you. So if you have any questions or if you want to learn more on how to add your stuff here or how to use the ClickCash, you can go ahead and watch this video, or you can go ahead over here to click here to register the ClickCash emergency training on Thursday the 28th. So make sure that you save the date. This will be at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll be able to get this training for ClickCash. So it's very limited, so you want to make sure that you sign up for that once you pick up ClickCash software. So now that's pretty much it. And if you do have any questions about this product, you can go ahead and go to the support desk right over here in the bottom of this selection here on the left side. So you can see support desk. So feel free to ask them questions once you start navigating onto the ClickCash platform, so that they'll be able to help you with any questions that you may have. So this is pretty much it, and this is what the ClickCash members area looks like. Now I'm going to be showing you the bonuses that I'm going to be offering to you now. So I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up ClickCash, this is going to go live on October 22nd. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page, because when the countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now if you have any questions about these bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses that I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be one-time price of $17. Also, you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. So right about here, you're gonna find all this information about the upgrades. If you click the link down below in this video, this is my bonus page here, and you can go ahead and scroll down, and here are the available upgrades for you that you can check out, read through it, and you'll be able to have an understanding and learn more about the available upgrades that you'd be interested in reading over here onto my bonus page. As you can see here, so there's about 7 upgrades for you available when you are ready to move on to the next level. So don't forget, go ahead and check out these upgrades, because it's going to benefit you from this online business, and you'll be able to learn more skills, and it's a good advantage of you to be able to start earning more money with these upgrades. And now when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase ClickCash, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you all my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in this description of this video. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find down below in the description of any of my review videos, or in my YouTube About Me section. And you can go ahead and send me a message right there. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of the ClickCash. Now, once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses, because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 25th. So now you make sure that you look up for that when you pick this up. Now, all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $17 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my ClickCash review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video. Make sure to click the link below to purchase the ClickCash at a discounted price. And also, don't forget to check out my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys on to my next video. And thanks again for watching my review video. Now, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on to my next video.